You want me first? Theo, we send it to Gianni. Come. Bandung?
How are you?
Good, good. Lebih bagus dari
Membaik, Pak. Ya, dari yang terakhir.
dari yang terakhir ya. This is 90%.
Very good.
You want me first? Theo, we send it to Gianni. Come. Theo do inspection. Border Indonesia, China.
If there is not very heavy rain, that will be perfect.
But should be fine though.
No,
3
that's
jam
what I'm saying.
rain keras gimana?
Kalau kemarin sih 2 jam itu drainnya hampir masih aman Pak, nggak ada
2
banjir.
hours oke. Okay.
2 hours,
2 hours
yeah, okay.
Mana nggak tahu. Di sini biasanya kalau di luar negeri dikasih TV di bawahnya.
Ya,
Oh,
ada
rekaman TV ya.
Ya.
Di bawahnya. Sometimes in the games at Europe or US, they put television
Yes.
at the VIP box, so they can also look.
Yeah, yeah, that will be good. Today is not too hot.
Today is okay. But during the match,
Yes. Because of the people also, and this is